Entrepreneurship, it's quite fancy for many people. It's quite fancy, just like looking at the private jets, looking at the beautiful exotic places, and looking at some cash, counting that and throwing on some people. All that is not really the true entrepreneurship. To be true, those things are the end things that you really get, that are just a result. Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contro Podcast. You are listening to Constant Show. Never listen to any advice, guys. That's the advice that I want. These are nothing but you practice, you will become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. Hey there, Sanjay here, and in this episode, we'll discuss about hard work. To me, hard work is nothing but your ticket for the goal, your ticket for your success. Hard work is the only key that you can depend, you can assure that it will make sure you to lead to success. So for me, hard work is in my blood. It's in my DNA. So growing up, being raised up with my parents who work really a lot, more than 16 to 18 hours per day. That's the reason I work somewhere around 16 hours, 12 hours, 18 hours per day. For me, there are some scenarios. I look into the internet and I feel like entrepreneurship, it's quite fancy for many people. It's quite fancy, just like looking at the private jets, looking at the beautiful exotic places, and looking at some cash, counting that and throwing on some people. All that is not really the true entrepreneurship. To be true, those things are the end things that you really get, that are just a result. If you work 12 months in a venture, if your entrepreneurship journey is 12 months, probably in that 12 months some 5 days you could enjoy just like that. Other than that, rest of the 12 months minus 5 days, you should work every single day to get that one goal in your life. That is the true entrepreneurship. That is what I do, and that is what I always wanted to talk about, and that is what I wanted to show to people. When I just work during weekends, when I just work during the festival holidays, all that is nothing but the true entrepreneurship. That is the true colors of it. It's not just you can work 6 hours, you quit your job just because they tell you to work 8 hours. Now you gotta work 16 hours. If this sounds crazy to you, entrepreneurship is not really for you. So you need to work a lot. At the beginning stage, you have no one who can work. You need to do every single job in your own office, or if you have an office, you need to do your many things, including sweeping, cleaning, everything. Jeff Bezos just packed the first package. Jeff Bezos, the world's richest man today. So he just packed the first book that has been ordered in Amazon.com. So what did he do is he went to post office and he posted it. He mailed it after packing it himself. So that is the true entrepreneurship. It's not that as soon as you start, there will be some 30 employees with you who can work for you. As soon as you start, there will be some awesome factories, and there will be employees lining up with you. No, that's not the true entrepreneurship. And there are people who tell you that join my course, I'll teach you entrepreneurship, and you can make somewhere around $15,000 or $30,000 or 30,000 rupees, 60,000 rupees within 1 month from the first month. So I think those are scams, nothing but not a true entrepreneurship. The only thing that you can make money out of it is by fooling people, telling them I earn 60,000, join my course. They earn 60,000. How is that really possible? They collect 1,000 per head, and 60 people come to attend that conference. They have 60,000. That's the only way they can earn 60,000 to be true. I'm not offending people. There are entrepreneurs who are earning 60,000 per month, $60,000 per month, but that is the end goal of their entrepreneurship. That is the middle stage or the end goal of their entrepreneurship. To make that 60,000, they would have worked somewhere around 5 years. They don't show that to you. You feel like, if I just join this course, just like him, I'll just make 60,000. That's completely foolish. So start learning the real entrepreneurship. There are people who are doing it for free. I mean, there are people who are putting enough content in the social media all around the internet for free. So follow them and consume their content, know what is real entrepreneurship and know what is really a real hard work. So I'll meet you guys tomorrow, meet you guys at the top, and thank you. Bye bye.